Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add AI shadows on your product, your photo products in CapCut. So all you have to do now, you can open the CapCut.com web browser version, and don't forget to sign in to your account. And let's start by click CapCut logo at the top left corner of your screen, and here CapCut Commerce, click it. Now here, this is the CapCut Commerce, special for products, photo editor or video editor here. And in order to add AI shadows, you can click the Smart Tools option. Here you can click it, and here you can choose for image option. And this is the AI shadows. Create a lifelike diverse shadows for product photos. Click it, and here, so you need to subscribe to boost your business. However, if you want to enjoy this feature, you need to subscribe. You need to pay, because this is like Pro edition, because there's a CapCut Commerce Pro. For example, if you wanted to get free, you can invite your friend to join CapCut Commerce Pro, and you will both get rewards by copy this link and share your link to your friend or on social media. Friend sign up, your friend gets free trial plus 120 credits, and also you get 3 free days and 120 credit plus 200 more if your friend sign up. So please feel to try to subscribe to get CapCut Commerce Pro in order to use these AI shadows. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe button below. See you in the next video.